Okay, so today we're going to be working on this mower deck here. It's got a couple bad spindles. It's also a review of the product that was sent to me. Okay, let's get to it. All right, so next thing we're going to do, we're going to take this pulley off. It's going to be on there pretty tight. So just be aware of that. Take your brake, release it, wiggle your pulley back and forth, pops off just like that. Now we are going to get at our mounting bolts here. There's going to be 4, and they are 1/2 inch on this particular application. Carefully lift your mower deck up. There you go. Okay, let's compare the new one to the old one. So, like I said, this company reached out to me and sent me this product. This is my first time ever using this product. Okay. Now, as you can see, it comes with a spindle and the enclosed bearing here. Very nice so far. Okay, so it has a nylon lock nut with a washer. Very nice. Okay. Now let's compare the two. That lines up. I like how tall these mounting surface for the blade is right here. This is very important because this is a wear part over the time. Excuse me. Over time they wear down. As you can see, this one has wore down significantly. Okay. Well, let's get it on the unit. Okay. Carefully lift your mower deck. Alright, like so. Line your hose up to the mower deck hose. There you go. That looks like it's a direct fit. Now, they did provide new hardware. This is very important because sometimes when you take the old one off, the bolts will break inside the old housing, which is exactly what this happened in this instance. They also provide the main bolt for the mower blade. Very nice. Let's get the guard back on there first. That is in that position there. Drop your bolts down in there. Hold your spindle up. Hand tighten. Your brand new hardware to the spindle. There we are. I have to say, this hardware is threading in perfectly. Very nice. That way, you're nice and snug before you do your initial tightening down, which is very important. Very important. Okay, moving on. Very nice. Everything about this product will be in the description. I'm very pleased the way that it fit, just like the OEM. It feels nice and stout. It's not cheaply made. Yes, very nice product. That fits nice and snug and true, just like the original Spindle did. Very important. Yes, very nice. Well, I really enjoyed showing you this product today. I will say that it's only one in a box, so when you order them on the link that I would provide for you, you would have to order 2, of course. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Bye-bye now.